Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. In today's video, we are going to be talking about AI voice generators and how they're being used to create realistic and natural sounding speech. I created this video using AI voice. I used ChatGPT for generating the script, and I used Flicky to generate the audio. Subtitle is created by Wheat.io editor. Let's start the video. First, let's start by discussing what an AI voice generator is. Essentially, it's a technology that uses machine learning algorithms to generate speech that sounds like it's coming from a human. This is done by analyzing and replicating the patterns and nuances of human speech. One of the most popular applications for AI voice generators is creating virtual assistants for smart speakers and phones. These virtual assistants can understand and respond to voice commands, making them a convenient way to control your devices. But AI voice generators are also being used in other industries such as entertainment and gaming. For example, AI-generated voices are being used to create realistic characters in video games and animated films. Another exciting application of AI voice generators is in the field of accessibility. These technology can be used to help people with speech disorders or disabilities communicate more easily. Overall, AI voice generators are a powerful technology that has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with machines and each other. We are excited to see what new developments will come in the future, and we'll be sure to keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting technology videos.